Alright guys, I'm here in my 2018 WRX. This car only has 10,000 miles on it, so it's quite new, but this little problem has been happening. It's started about a week ago. I'm not exactly sure what the problem is or where this has come from and how I can fix it. I've tried, as you can see, I took out the center console to see if the problem was coming from here or if I could grease it up. Because there's a squeaking noise. So the squeaking noise only happens on first, third, and fifth gear. It only happens when I pop it out of gear. If I put it in gear, it's completely fine. But if you listen closely, it squeaks. Third as well. And so, and also fifth gear. So as you can hear, there's that squeaking noise. Like I said, I'm not exactly sure what it is. I thought it was coming from here. I honestly did. So I took off the center console and thought maybe it needed some grease. But when I realized the noise wasn't coming from here, in fact, it sounds like it's coming either from the engine bay or under the car. Not exactly sure. But I can't find anyone online. I haven't found anyone that has this sort of problem or has had this problem, so I couldn't find any help or support online. So I'm putting this video so that if anybody knows exactly what this is, if they have a solution because they've already had this problem or whatever, just please let me know in the comments below. That would mean a great help to me. So yeah, thank you.